So Scott, what's your background in the turf industry and what brought you to the Reds in Ballymore here in Queensland?
Mate, I've been here 19 years now.
Yeah.
So straight out of college, came to Ballymore as an apprentice.
Okay.
And haven't left. I've been here ever since. So it's been a good journey though. So things have certainly changed. It's never been a constant sort of boring job. There's always some sort of change in the air. So we've seen many changes. So we've rebuilt field 1 and 2.
Yep.
Totally rebuilt, so that's been a good experience. And then sort of, we're working on field 3 now, just sort of low budget stuff, but certainly been exciting nonetheless.
So I know you've had a few good, some really good results with Tribute here, Scott. So could you take us through and chat to us a little bit how they come about?
Yeah, well, basically it all started out here, Darryl. We had a small areas of crowsfoot trouble. So we started basically with a backpack operation, and that was something that I undertook myself. So I was out here and we sort of broke the field into 2 halves. I just wanted to see if the time between applications had any effect. I sort of somehow had the belief that if I shortened the application gap between them, we'd maybe get better results. And that sort of proved itself correct. But we had good results all over, but I guess the surprising thing or the interesting thing was we started to get some results on an area. As I left the field, I had a little bit left in the backpack, so I just sort of sprayed that, and it was a non-circumspect area, so it didn't matter if I destroyed the grass. And we actually got an effect on wiregrass.
Yep.
So that's sort of what twigged my further trial work into the wiregrass on field 3. So it was a real eye-opener, but I guess we had a really good effect on the crowsfoot, but to get that bonus effect on the wiregrass was something we didn't expect. And you can see the effect here on the Paspalum. This actually used to encroach past the 22 metre line, but there's a clear line now of where the Tribute has worked and where we're still to be treated. So it's pretty clear there what it does to Paspalum, and I guess the same with the wiregrass. And obviously doesn't affect the green couch. We've had some mixed results on blue couch. Some strains it really knocks out, others it sort of yellows off and it comes back. But this green couch, obviously the recovery here has been fine, so there's no issues at all. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, we're at the end of winter here now, Darryl, and you see the quality of the grass. It's still got good colour, still got good coverage and density. So it's been a real improvement there for us. Obviously the benefits are twofold. You can see here the Wallabies are more than happy to use this field now. Where in the past it was seen as a bit of a sort of an ugly duckling. No one wanted to use it. It was always there to be used, but no one wanted to use it. So the usage has certainly increased, and something as simple as we've been able to use a cylinder mower now across the whole field just with the reduction of weeds. So the presentation and the quality of the surface has improved, and with not a lot of expense. We certainly haven't done anything major here other than spray it with Tribute. It doesn't even have pop-up irrigation or anything. We still use a manual sprinkler out here, so it's a little bit more labour intensive, but in terms of producing a result, we've still managed to get that, which has been really good for us. The benefits for us have been massive in the fact that it reduces the load on the other fields, so therefore the repairs and maintenance on the other fields at heavy times has certainly been reduced. Yeah.
You're getting some good feedback from the committee?
Yeah, we are. Players especially, the players have asked where to get the money to re-turf this field from, which is quite interesting because we certainly haven't re-turfed it.
Yep.
And we had a budget meeting only last week, and it came up about turf replacement. And they said, well, you've obviously already spent your budget in replacing field 3. And I said, well, I actually haven't. I've just done some trial work and it's cost us nothing, so it's been great.